Hey y'all, so we're back and I actually got dressed for y'all today. I just want you guys to know that. October favorites. It's in October, whatever. We're not gonna go through the whole can't believe the year's going by so fast thing. It's passing by day by day, okay? So I got this conditioner, I'm not even gonna lie, I got this conditioner for free at work. This is Carol's Daughter's Black Vanilla Moisture and Shine Hydrating Conditioner. If I'm washing my hair really quickly in the shower, I throw this in, let it sit there for a minute or two, maybe, shave an armpit or two, come back and rinse this out with really warm water, not scalding hot, but really warm water, and your hair feels like butter, I promise you. 2 hair oils. I've talked to y'all about these little oils before. Hask oil. So I always find these in the hair aisle at Target, sometimes at CVS, but they come in a little cardboard box. You kind of gotta be looking for them to notice them, I feel like. So I have the macadamia oil and the argan oil. Honestly, I don't know the difference between the two. It's maybe a dime size amount. Rub it in my hands really good, and then I just kind of I don't know, just rub it all over my head. And then that's a great segue. In the morning, what I do for my roots is dry shampoo. You don't want to do this every day. I do this every other day with the dry shampoo, and the one I've been liking is this. I think it's just pissed, the noise that it makes when you spray the bottle. Psst. Love the way it makes my hair smell. And what I do, I just take it, kind of lift my hair. I do one down the middle too. Oh, ow, wow. Ow. The devil just comes in all forms, you know. Laura Mercier setting powder. I believe I've included this in the favorites before, I can't remember. But this is the Glow Translucent Setting Powder. One thing I will say about this is I do not think this is translucent. That's it right there. I don't know about you, but I can see that. And I know it's oh, well, if you rub it in, then it's translucent. But I can still see it. I use it more of a highlight / setting powder when I'm just in a rush. I don't consider this an all over setting powder, but I do like it. Second, one of my old favorites that I had just not been using that much, NARS Orgasm Illuminator. So I use this as a highlight. I have it on today as a highlight. I put it also in the corner of my eyes, down my nose. For the amount of product that you get in here, I feel like I'm gonna have this for a minute. I feel like I would have to use this every single day for me to be using this all the way up. You only need a little pinch. Moving on to my brows now. First, I just wanna say a little eulogy, a little special word for my Wet n Wild's Ultimate Brow Kit. Y'all know she rocks with me for a long time. I don't use her because I got these. Bushy Brow Precision Pen and then the Brow Gel. So the Precision Pen is just that. It is a marker. It is a super fine marker. Now, I never thought I would be one to a marker type of brow product, only because I feel like I've seen it before where they get too markery and they're just who filled in your brows with a Sharpie? I actually kind of use these in reverse. I use the brow gel first. I love the gel. It comes with this very tiny spoolie. I kind of carve out my shape with this spoolie by using the end of the brush, by kind of carving it out. Then I go in and brush the product up that I just placed in there. And then if I see any other sparse areas, that's when I go in with the Precision Pen and I kind of lightly flick in those areas to kind of fill it out where I feel I could use a little bit more. And then I'm done. It literally takes me 2 seconds in the morning to do my brows. I find that I'm not going for that perfected look these days with my brows. I want them to be a little bit more, excuse me, natural, Beyonce, Mama Tina-esque. You know how Beyonce's brows always look good, but they never look like they done. I wore this in a video recently. You guys were all for it. I'm all for it. This is Charlotte Tilbury's, what is this? Matte Revolution lipstick, and the color I have is Opium Noir. So I'll swatch it for you guys. This is a very nice dark, wow, the devil stays on his job. So I swatched that for you guys. It's like a very nice, like dark cherry burgundy lip color. Like I feel like it's a nice, like, if you don't want to be like that dark purple. The formula of this lipstick, like this lip balm, I might have mentioned this before. This is the only lip balm I have right now, and by the grace of God, y'all, look at that. I have hit pan. I am gonna use this lip balm up. I know it, I claim it. Because you know, using a lip balm up is like something in fairy tales. Like, it doesn't happen. You lose it or throw it away or get a new one before you use it all up. It's from Urban Outfitters. It's called Macaroon Rose. It keeps my lips very soft without making like the weird like white things. You know those white little things that'll happen like on the inside of your lip if you're not careful. Next, we have a gloss. Well, we have two glosses. These are our last two products, guys. So we have the glossy lip gloss, which I know I mentioned like when I first got this, and to be honest with you, since then I had not been using it. Like, it was just one of those things like, oh, I gotta get it, the hype. With a basic clear shiny gloss, like, you're not gonna mess it up. Like, if anything, you're just gonna look like fresh. Now it is a bit thick, I'm not gonna lie. Like, that is a thick ass gloss. Like, it kind of reminds you of the MAC lip gloss. Lastly, we have our Sephora lip gloss. I actually have this gloss on today. I have my OG combo on today, y'all, which is Jordana Coco Loco, Quickie in the middle, and then I have this lip gloss on top. This is Sephora brand lip gloss. I wish I knew the name of this lip gloss, like the type of lip gloss it is. I don't know what it's called, but the color is perfect nude, and it really is just that. Like, it's like such a nice, like, pretty nude. I can wear this on its own. I can wear it with a lipstick underneath. I can wear it with a lip liner and lipstick. Like, this is another one of those things, like, if I know I have this in my bag, like, I'm not about to mess it up. That's all for my favorites. I haven't really been shopping that much. Oh my gosh, y'all, no, that's not it. That's not it. I have one more product, some shea butter. Now, this is not a particular brand. Well, actually, it is a particular brand. There's a shop around the street from my house. My mom bought all this shea butter, not realizing that she cannot take it on the airplane. So guess who got it? It's so moisturizing, and I was only used to, I guess, the fake shea butter that's like super hard, and apparently shea butter is not that hard. It's not supposed to be, because this is like, you know what, I could use some of this. Can they fly somewhere else? My boyfriend loves this. Like, he's been using it like all over him, and I use it. Like, it's really good. And you also don't use that much. Like, this is a big tub, and I feel like we're probably gonna be using this for a while. That is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not already, go and subscribe to the channel. Like, you've made it all the way to the end. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys next time.